In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your disabled Facebook ads account quickly. If you found yourself in a situation where your ads account has been unexpectedly deactivated or restricted, don't worry. We're going to walk through the process step by step so that you can get your ads back up and running in no time. First, we need to access Facebook Ads Manager. Open your preferred web browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. You can also use the direct link if you have it handy. Once you're on the page, look for the option to go to Ads Manager and click on it. This will bring you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your Facebook account. Go ahead and do that, and then click Log In. After logging in, you'll be taken to your campaigns dashboard. This is where you typically manage all your advertising campaigns. Now, if your account has restrictions or has been deactivated, you'll likely see a notification pop up right on your dashboard. Don't ignore this notice as it contains crucial information about the status of your account. To gather more details on why your account is disabled, look for the option that says See Details and click on it. This action will direct you to an overview where all the pertinent information regarding your account status is presented. This overview can help you understand the specific reasons for the deactivation or restriction, which is incredibly helpful in moving forward with the recovery process. Now, to attempt to resolve the issue and possibly reactivate your account, locate the help icon on the page. Clicking this icon will provide you with further guidance and support options available for your situation. One critical step you won't want to miss is finding the Request Review button. Clicking on this will open up the pathway to disputing the deactivation or restriction of your account. Follow the prompts after clicking Request Review to submit an appeal for your account. This may involve answering a few questions or providing some additional information to Facebook about your account or advertising practices. Be as clear and honest as possible while submitting your appeal, as this information plays a significant role in determining the resolution of your issue. Remember, patience is key as it might take a while for Facebook to review your appeal, but rest assured that you've just completed all the necessary steps to have your account reviewed and potentially reactivated. Thanks for following along with this guide, and here's to hoping you regain access to your Facebook ads account soon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.